There's an argument that has been going on in crypto for quite some time now, and that is whether Bitcoin will remain the top dog, continue its market dominance over all other coins, or if something else is going to catch it and flip its market cap. Now, the one that naturally comes into the conversation here is actually Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest crypto by market cap. You can see both of them right next to me here. Ethereum currently at about $192 billion, and Bitcoin just a little over 2x away at about $440 billion. Now, I can see both sides of the argument and why they both have valid points, and I kind of want to get into this just a little bit. Now, Bitcoin has been around for far longer than Ethereum. In fact, it's been almost 15 years now, which is kind of hard to believe. Most people didn't hear about Bitcoin until, a little ways into the prior decade. And it's just continued to gain notoriety as time has gone on. It's become really the big dog on the block. A lot of institutions at least utilize it in some way, shape, or form, or want to get on board with the utilization of it. But Ethereum has had a lot shorter of a life cycle. It's arguably done more in a shorter period of time. Ethereum actually launched back in 2015 and really didn't get much, use or adoption until the last, I'd say probably 5 years or so. Now, the great things can be done with Ethereum that you just flat out can't do with Bitcoin. And it just has to do with how the networks are built, how the chains are built. Now, Bitcoin, in order to make a block, it takes about 10 minutes, which is very slow, it's very clunky, and just not efficient for today's demand. Now, Ethereum is the natural developer's choice. It creates a new block of data every 10 to 15 seconds or so, and there's so many things that have been built on top of Ethereum now. In fact, Ethereum actually passed Bitcoin back in 2021 in terms of transactions done on the network, which again, more has been done in a shorter period of time. This is a really great thing to see if you're an Ethereum lover, right? Now, another big difference between the two networks is that there is still ongoing development happening with Ethereum. In fact, they just rolled out Ethereum 2.0, dubbed the merge, their switch from proof of work to proof of stake, trying to increase the efficiency for the Ethereum network. Now, Bitcoin doesn't have much development going on at this time, okay? Or if any at all, right? There's been smart contracts, there's been forks and stuff like that, but there really isn't much going on there. It's kind of outdated technology. Now, Bitcoin will always be a big dog on the block, don't get me wrong, but Ethereum has a good shot of passing Bitcoin in market cap. But there are hurdles in Ethereum's way. Do keep that in mind. One of the biggest issues that faces Ethereum right now is scalability. Okay, if you weren't around in late 2021, you may have missed some of the gas fee problems that existed on Ethereum. In fact, some transactions cost about $1,000, and that's just the fee. If you wanted to do a $5 transaction, it might cost you $1,000 in fees, which is unsustainable. That right now is one of the biggest issues holding Ethereum back from passing Bitcoin's market cap, and that is scalability. It's really hard to get people to keep buying into a network when you don't have a solution for that currently. Now, during this time, they are trying to figure out ways to fix this issues with layer 2 rollups and sharding and all these things, but we have yet to see whether this will actually be executed in a timely manner. Now, really any of us can speculate at this point whether this will happen or not. I think it's got a good shot. They're probably going to be pretty close, but naturally both of the two are going to be big dogs on the block for the foreseeable future. But as always, this is not financial advice. Definitely do your own research, but we appreciate you guys here on the ClearCryptos channel. Appreciate you stopping in, checking out the video. Definitely show your love below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. We want to hear your thoughts. Let us know which one you think is going to be the winner in the end. Appreciate you guys as always, and we really hope to see you in the next one. Take care.